everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken curry pie. I used to make this pie only when I have some leftover curry, but it's so good and I'm making curry just to make this pie these days. You can of course have it as a meal, but I normally have it as a snack, so no meal building part at the end of the video today. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Chicken breast, it's about 150 grams. Carrot, potato, onion, about a teaspoon of garlic paste, Japanese curry cubes, puff pastry, and 1 egg. As always, all the cutting first. I'm going to cut them all in small cubes. So carrot, peel the skin. Into slices, into sticks, then cubes. Same for the potato. Peel the skin. Into slices, sticks, then cubes. Onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half. Then cubes. And chicken, remove the skin, trim off all the fat, slices, sticks, then cubes. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan, about a tablespoon. And I'm going to cook the chicken first. When the chicken is half cooked, add vegetables. Now, vegetables are all coated with the oil, so I'm adding some water. I'm using half of this box today, and the instruction on the packet says I need 500 milliliter of water. But I don't want to make it too saucy because it's a filling. So I'm adding 10% less water than the instruction, which is 450 milliliter of water. Add garlic paste. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Simmer for 10 minutes and everything is cooked through. Let's add the curry cubes. As I said, I'm using half of this box. Using these lines, break it into 4 pieces. Turn the heat off and add it to the frying pan. Dissolve the curry cubes completely with the heat off. Now, the cubes are all gone. Turn the heat back on and cook for 3 minutes to thicken the sauce. Cooked for 3 minutes and the curry filling is ready. Turn the heat off and cool it down to room temperature. The curry filling I made earlier today is room temperature, so let's make it into pies. Dust cutting board with some flour so the puff pastry doesn't stick to the cutting board. And cut them into your favorite size. I have 12. Make some slits on these 6. And put the curry filling on the other 6. Put egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of water in a small bowl and mix it well. Let's put it around the curry filling. Put them on top. And seal them with fork. Place them on oven sheets lined with parchment paper. Egg yolk mixture on top too. Let's bake them in preheated oven, 200 degrees Celsius. Baked for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and it's looking and smelling so good. The curry filling inside is so creamy. Okay, let's try. いただきます。Buttery puff pastry, creamy curry sauce, and fluffy potato inside. Everything is so perfect and it's delicious. If you have leftover curry filling, you can simply have it with rice, naan bread, or dilute it with dashi soup so you can make it into curry udon. Please arrange as you like. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.